Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A41, and let me show you how to activate and use Talkback on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all apps, then find and select the settings, go to the bottom of the list, and here you will notice accessibility. So just open this tab, and now go to screen reader, which is the first possibility here. And if you'd like to activate this feature, in which your phone will provide you with spoken feedback, so you can use your device without looking at the screen, just tap on this switcher. And now tap on allow to give all needed permissions, double tap.
Voice assistant on tutorial.
And as you can hear, it is working, and basically all you have to do here is to mark some particular icon.
Activate, double tap and hold to long press.
Then you can smoothly hear what it has to say and then double tap to mark it.
Screen reader.
So here you've got tutorial, you can open it, double tap to open it, and here you've got it back. So let me go back. Finally, if you would like to switch it off, just tap on the voice assistant icon, double tap, and select turn off to confirm, click twice to switch it off. And that's it. So this is it. This is how you can use Talkback, like how you can switch it off. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.